All right, I'm ready for goulash.
I'm ready also.
You know, my mom's from Vienna,
Yes, I
and
don't
so
know.
she used to make goulash. So I have to see if yours compares to her goulash.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
First of all, I will need a little oil. The soy oil is nice and
Soy.
healthy. Yes.
Oh, okay.
We have a chopped onion here. The pan to be
The pan's hot already in
Yes,
advance.
yes.
Okay.
The cara white seeds,
Ah.
chlorophyll flavors, bay leaves, fresh
Right.
chopped garlic.
Suppose you have help on the ship cutting all these things up for you, huh?
Yes, of course. We have a nice meat.
So what kind of beef is it?
This is a fillet, is a chopped, is the top side
Okay.
of the meat. Now the magic.
Which
We
is
have
the paprika.
pink paprika, yes, the pink one.
Is that smoky or is it just more not smoky?
Not smoky, no, it's just the ruby paprika, the pink paprika. 2 teaspoons. We have a red paprika, sweet one here.
That's just black pepper.
Crushed pepper a little bit. And a little sea salt.
Wow, look at that.
Get nice golden brown,
yeah.
yes. It's our goulash, still to cook for the next 2 hours to get soft.
It is,
Yeah.
yes.
Now we add the consomme, beef consomme, and let to boil slow, yes? At least 2 hours. Delicious.
I don't want to wait 2 hours.
See, we have to decorate the goulash like traditional in Austria.
Potato and
Nice potato,
pickles, I see.
yes. A little pickles. Our Vienna sausage.
All the touches of
Yes.
Austria.
Everything is from Austria. You see, I cannot lie to you. Okay.
I'm very looking forward to this dish. Thank you for making these for me,
pleasure.
having me in your kitchen.
My
Very
pleasure.
busy time for you.
A little bit, yes.
I'm going to try your goulash.
Please.
So I told you my mom used to make when I was young, so I have to. I probably can't say that it's better than my mom's, but
You know, the mom is the best cook.
it was so soft though.
It's good.
It's really good.
Thank you so much.
Sorry,
Thank you
mom.
very much. I would say the goulash is starting from the Hungarian history, the Austrian soldiers doing it in Austria that time. Okay, original recipes from Hungary. When you go to Austria, it's coming with the potato, with the jerkins, with the sausage.
Yeah, that's the difference.
In Budapest, it's coming with sour cream or depends, spicy.
Well, you called this goulash. What was the name?
Fecker goulash. Fecker goulash.
And that
yes.
makes a difference.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about you. I mean, you're not Austrian, are you?
Austrian and Romanian.
Romanian. How did you learn about cooking?
I was study long time ago on the World Trade Center Bucharest, in Sofitel Hotel, Accor Group. It's a French hotel, 4 stars.
Oh,
I
so
was
you
starting to work there, yes, as a junior chef from the scratch from the beginning.
So on the ships, do you do for the different itineraries? You do
Yes,
that
I
kind of
was
thing?
starting working on 1998 on the ocean liners. 12 years I worked there, starting as a junior chef till the sous chef.
Oh, the bigger ships, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, so you got
3,000-4,000 guests.
Oh,
Yes.
so you got used to cooking for a lot of people.
Yes. Traveling around the world, discover new things, discover cuisines, discover product, fruits, vegetable I never see it, and I was curious to use them, to work with that.
You know what I like? I like your simplicity. I mean, it's beautiful to look at, but not anything over the top. Is that what you like?
I like the food to be fresh on the eye, good, simple, easy,
Yeah.
not so fancy.
Not so fancy,
Not
I
so
know.
fancy.
I know.
To be natural, what is goulash have to be goulash, natural goulash. With the local ingredients, local dishes, local garnish. Like
And you know what it is on the plate. I mean, the potato looks like a potato. It doesn't look like something else. So,
Yes.
yeah.
It looks like potato is natural potato, freshly cooked, well presented, and taste is the most important thing in
Taste.
the plate.
So do you taste every dish that
Yes,
goes out?
yes. In the plate is first impression, how it's going out, the presentation, and the taste. This is the most important thing on the dish.
Absolutely. Made with love.
With passion.
And with passion.
Yes.
It's always important. Excellent.